Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how we make vegetable broth using vegetable scrap, that is fresh vegetable scrap. Usually what we do is we cut the vegetables and we discard the unwanted parts. So instead of that, we can use these to make the vegetable broth. So let me show you what all goes into it. Here I have taken the outer leaves of lettuce that have been washed thoroughly, the thick portions of celery, the leaves and the stem part, the onion peels and the top portion of onion, bell pepper with the stem and this extra stem that we have chopped, some carrot peels, the carrot stem portion of the lettuce. These are the vegetables that I'm going to be using today to make the vegetable broth. So the main vegetables that give the broth the flavor are the celery, onion and carrots. So for the seasoning we'll take fresh stalks of parsley, fresh stalks of cilantro or coriander, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of salt, soup seasoning, some nutmeg, that is a pinch of nutmeg which is optional, and a teaspoon of pepper. So let's get started. In a deep pot we are going to take around 10 cups of water and transfer all the veggies into it. Along with cilantro, parsley, the pinch of nutmeg, pepper, seasoning, salt and the garlic, olive oil, bring it to boil and let it simmer on medium heat for around 40 to 50 minutes. It has been around 45 to 50 minutes and this broth is ready. It's time to strain this. This is the clear broth after straining. So bring this broth to room temperature and make portions. You can use this vegetable broth to make soups, gravies or curries. You can either refrigerate the portions or freeze them and use whenever you want. So if you have liked watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks a lot for watching.